Well, the one thing that people need to know too is you say everything that's titled can go in the trust and it's protected. But I've also put an extra sheet on my trust that I list all of our hand tools. We have big track hoes and 40-ton end dump trucks and road graders and rollers. I've listed all of those on a separate sheet of paper for our trust because now it's included in there. If you don't
Yeah.
do that, they can come and take it because it's not in the trust. But as it is, like John explained how to do that, that's all saved now.
Yeah, there's you could create it yourself, but we have an exhibit that goes with it. You list it, and so and that's for things that don't have a separate title or don't have a separate deed. I had someone that come to me, and he's a guitar player and a guitar collector. And he's like, I have 50 guitars that are worth a lot of money. What do I do? And you do just what Roxy said. You list them on a separate sheet. Now these are a part of the trust. And so let's say, this makes you judgment proof from whatever your person, that corporation, another corporation. Oh, someone sues you or says you owe money or something like that.